Hi guys and welcome to BaseLift. My name is Misbah, aka Missy ASTB. Okay, so you're probably wondering what's going on the BaseLift YouTube channel, and let me tell you. Okay, so here at BaseLift we will be delivering videos to you all month long. Okay, so we will be reviewing products, testing products, but also recommending products and explaining how to use them, when to use them, why to use them, etc. So if you're one of those people always wondering, should I derma roll? How do I derma roll? Which products to use? What website to use? We will be telling you all that jazz on this channel right here. So before we go any further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button wherever it may be. Hit the bell so you get notifications every single time we upload. So I'm a BaseLift Girl Misbah, but there is also another BaseLift Girl, Ruksana. You'll be hearing from her real soon, and we are going to be advising you on this channel throughout the months to come, and especially in the new year. I also have my own YouTube channel if you want to check it out. That is Missy ASTB. I'll put links in the description box below and you can check those out too. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about my journey, my skin journey, why I'm joining BaseLift and why I use BaseLift. This is a completely honest video because that's who I am. I give honest reviews and I'm telling you exactly my skin journey in hopes it can help you out, especially if you're struggling with acne, scarring, indentations, pigmentation. I'm your girl to recommend what to do. Okay, so on my YouTube channel, if you want to go check it out, I have reviews from using different medications, trying different things out, and also I've been derma rolling for the past 4 months, so you can check out my videos on my reviews on there in more details with photos. But for now in this video I'm going to tell you a bit of a summary of my skin story and tell you a little bit more about BaseLift. Okay, so let's get to it. When I got to about 16 and I left high school and went to college, I broke out in cystic acne. Okay, so what cystic acne is the deep spots that are quite big and pustule like, but also you get blood spots as well. And there's different types of acne, like hormonal acne, this and this and that. I do have hormonal acne still, however my cystic acne has gone. So I went to the dermatologist, I went on different medications like the pill, I went on different antibiotics, and then I got told about Accutane and I was way too scared because I heard too many horror stories. So I was like, no, I don't need that, I don't want it. But then 3 years later when I hit 24, okay, because I was offered it when I was 21, but when I hit 24 I was like, I'm sick of being a 24-year-old woman with acne, okay? I need to get rid of this. So what I did was I went back to the dermatologist and I said, put me on Accutane, I want to try it out. But what's great about Accutane is they do monitor you and they do regulate and ask you questions all the time. If you want to know more about my Accutane journey, don't forget to check out my channel. I explain it every single month in detail on there. So I waited 5 months and then 6 months and all my acne had cleared. However, you cannot derma roll or do any laser treatment to remove any acne scarring for 6 months because your skin is very sensitive and it can break easily and rip easily, so you can't do any type of stuff like that. So I waited 7 months before I started derma rolling because I was really scared to derma roll. I was really freaking out, which maybe you guys have been through before because you were like, I don't know what it is, it sounds scary putting needles in your face. I get it. For 4 months I have been derma rolling, so that's the reason why I've not worn makeup in this video. So some videos I will wear makeup, some videos I won't, but I wanted to show you for my first official video me without makeup so you can see me for who I really am. But you can see my acne and my scarring at its worst on my YouTube channel, because then you can see the progression of derma rolling for 4 months. I will probably include some pictures on here of my worst acne, real bad, and then the beginning of my derma rolling over here so you can see how it was. And now I will show you where my skin is now 4 months after derma rolling on my skin. So I'm going to zoom in. You can see I've got a little bit of pigmentation, but my indentations have reduced massively. If you're like, Misbah, I can still see some indentations. Of course you can, they've not completely gone yet. I've only been derma rolling for 4 months and you have to give it time to see results, okay? So I went to BaseLift because I'd heard it so many times. My sister used it and I was like, why not try this bad boy out, because I need a derma roller that works for me. Okay, so I went to BaseLift and I bought a 0.5 roller and I did it for 3 months. Then I wanted a deeper derma roller, so then I tried the 3-in-1 derma roller, and one of them is a 1mm roller. So I tried that, so that's what I'm currently using, is 1mm derma roller. However, it is quite a big needle, and for a big needle you need to be super careful and super hygienic. So it's going to be my 2nd month now using it. I'm going to give it another month, then I'm going to go back to the 0.5 roller, because I definitely think a smaller needle at home is better. Bigger needles are better at like a dermatologist or a specialist. When you go bigger than 1mm on your face, it can be, you know, a bit sensitive, a bit dangerous and unhygienic. So I recommend at home using 0.5mm roller, okay? So that's what I've been doing for 4 months, and I really enjoy using these products because I definitely see results. If you don't believe me, like, where your results were, check out my channel, you can see my results there in detail. Right now I'm going to tell you what my favourite BaseLift products are, and they are, of course, the gem rollers, because they're the ones making the difference on my face. However, it's the Indian eraser clay. Every time I derma roll, just before I derma roll, I put the clay mask on because it brightens your pores, brings out any impurities in there, helps with any pigmentation, helps reduce any inflammation, and it also closes your pores. So I do this before derma rolling, and I see the difference instantly. Brightens my face up, and it helps my derma rolling process because I know that my skin is super clean before I derma roll. I really love a good clay mask, especially if you've got combination skin like me. If you've got an oily T-zone, or if you've got big pores, like I have big pores here. You probably saw on the like zoom in there when I showed you my face, you probably saw it. Yeah, like I have big pores, and I do feel like using one of these clay masks every single week helps reduce the pore size. I do use it before derma rolling. However, if I'm not derma rolling that week, I do still use the masks at least once. They are great products and they last quite a long time as well. So on the BaseLift website, for 4 days only, you will be able to get 70% off the whole website, guys. That is major. That is major. Okay, from the 26th of December, Boxing Day, until the 30th, which is the Sunday night. You've got 4 days to buy whatever you want for 70% off. Come on, what more do you want from BaseLift than a major discount to try the products out, to really see if you enjoy them or not? Great offer, because we are confident you will love it. And also, I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of a product that will be available for you guys pretty soon. If you do like this product, make sure you comment in the comment section below, and then we will definitely go forward. And these things are personalized headbands. Okay, so this is my name, this is my Instagram. So if you want a personalized headband for yourself, for your friend, for your mom, your family member, your cousin, your best friend, whatever, if you want these to be available to you, let me know in the comment section below, because they make perfect gifts, and everyone loves a personalized gift. Like, I'm a sucker for personalization. I always love that. So I just wanted to mention something before we close out this video. We at BaseLift would love to hear from you guys, and we've got so many success stories with skin products. However, we can't share it due to privacy and stuff like that. But if you want your skin story to be heard, or you want to give us a review on any products that you've used, so direct message us on Instagram if you don't mind us using your pictures and your progression, and we can share it, because your story, like mine, can help others. And wouldn't you want to do that? Don't forget to check my Instagram out, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel. All links will be below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.